Welcome back, guys. I'm Aurelio. Are you ready for a new video? We start! The Cygnus cargo spacecraft is an unmanned resupply vehicle that doesn't have the ability to re-enter the Earth's atmosphere. It was developed by the Orbital Science Corporation in the past, and now it is manufactured and launched by the Northrop Grumman Innovation System. It is launched by the Northrop Grumman Innovation Rocket, or ULA's Atlas V, and is designed to transport supplies to the ISS. The Cygnus spacecraft is part of NASA's Commercial Resupply Vehicles CRS program. On February 28, NASA announced that the winners of the COTS Commercial Orbital Transportation Service Demonstration Program contract were the Orbital Science Corporation with the Cygnus spacecraft and the SpaceX with the Dragon cargo spacecraft. In addition to the COTS Development and Demonstration Program, Orbital will utilize the Cygnus to perform the ISS resupply flights under the CRS contract. On December 28, NASA awarded Orbital Science a $1.9 billion contract under the Commercial Resupply Service Program. Under this contract, Orbital Science agreed to deliver up to 20 tons of cargo to the ISS through 2016 in 8 Cygnus spacecraft flights. The Cygnus demonstration mission was successfully launched on September 2013. On January 2014, the first operational mission of the Cygnus resupply mission arrived at the space station. The Cygnus spacecraft consists of two parts: the pressurized cargo module PCM and the service module SM. The PCM is manufactured by the Thales Alenia Space in Turin, Italy. The PCMs have an empty mass of 1,500 kilograms and a volume of 18 cubic meters. The service module is built by Orbital ATK and is based on their Geostar. The Cygnus spacecraft is used to carry crew supplies, spare equipment and scientific experiments to the ISS. The service module incorporated advanced avionics developed by the Northrop Grumman and guidance and navigation components that allows fully autonomous rendezvous with the ISS. During nominal CRS missions, Cygnus maneuvers close to the ISS, where the Canadarm2 robotic arm grapples the spacecraft and berths it to a common berthing mechanism on the Harmony module. For typical missions, Cygnus is planned to remain berthed for about 1 month. Once the Cygnus has completed its mission, it is released by the astronauts via the Canadarm2. The Cygnus will then re-enter the Earth's atmosphere and disintegrate. The Cygnus model kit shown in this video faithfully reproduces the real subjects. The model is rich in details. With this model kit, you will have the possibility to reproduce the Cygnus in two different ways. The orbital flight configuration with the solar panels open, and the propelled version thanks to the castor inertial engine. The Cygnus model kit is reproduced in resin and photoetched parts. A decal sheet allows you to complete the model kit in all its details. Guys, thanks to the AMK model kits, your collection are getting richer. The cargo spacecraft are fundamental elements of human flights around the Earth. Without the cargo spacecraft, the ISS program would not work. The cargo spacecraft are very important, but they are often not taken into consideration as they should. So guys, also this time we have finished. See you soon next time. Bye!